vowel sound. Of course, in English language we have two classes of sound. We have the consonant sound and we have the vowel sound. So for vowel sounds today, we're going to learn about this very sound. Have you ever seen it? Probably you might have seen it somewhere, but the sound is very tricky. Sometimes some people pronounce it as eh, but it's not. So we're going to learn the pronunciation and where exactly we can have the sound. So the sound is a long vowel sound. It is pronounced er, er, er. That is sound. Can we repeat after me now? That is sound. So and it is written like this. You write it like this. Okay? And in English language, when you write any shape like this and you end it with two strokes, it means that what is written inside is never a letter, but a sound. So what we're having now is a sound. So we're going to learn about this. So it's a long vowel sound. It is pronounced er. It is commonly found in words having letter I, R. So when you have words having I, R or U, R, I know you might have seen words having I, R and U, R. So but the pronunciation might be somehow. So how you pronounce it, we're going to see now. So we're going to treat some examples, probably 5, to see how we learn the pronunciation. Are we together? Good. So the first one I'll give to you now, we have F-I-R-S-T. This word is pronounced first. First. And it is not first, nor first. Are you getting it? Yes. You don't say first and you don't say first. Now, this is it. This IR is not just a sound. This is not short. And it is not O. Okay? But it is er. That is sound. So we say first. So you came first in the last examination. Not first and not first. Do you get it? Yes. Okay? 2. Can you give me one?
Test.
Test. Okay. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y. Good, let's pronounce it. So we have thirsty. Thirsty. Okay. You can have number 3. T-H-I-R-D. So this is not like you say third. No. It is third. Third. Repeat after me. Third. So it is not third. The IR here is not O sound, but you have a sound. Okay, and number 4. Let's go for UR now. So we can have T-U-R-N. Okay, T-U-R-N will give you a word like turn, not tone. U-R is not O or O sound. It is sound. So you say turn, turning, turn around. Okay, then 5. Number 5.
Step.
Step. Okay, let's look for this word. Can we see? Have you ever seen people pronouncing this word like having IR like up, saying shout? Okay? And it is wrong. So you have shirt. So not shout. Do you get it? The IR here is sound. So not shout. It is shirt. So what I'm putting on now is what? Is shirt, not shout. Do you get it? So now let's try to run around the pronunciation of each word before we end the class. So the first one is what? Let's spell it, then we pronounce. F-I-R-S-T. So that's what? First. Again. First. Again. First. Okay. Number 2. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y. Thirsty. Okay. Number 3, we have T-H-I-R-D. That is what? Third. Good. Number 4, T-U-R-N. And that's what? turn, not torn. Okay? And number 5, S-H-I-R-T. That's what? Shirt, not shirt. So, the next class we shall be treating the short form of this sound. Until that time, you can go over this and learn more about it. Thank you. God bless you.